Donald Trump's claim of immigrants from Haiti eating pets brings the religious practice of voodoo into controversy. Voodoo is practiced by some 60 million people worldwide, but few know about its origins. Is voodoo all evil, or is it a victim of misconceptions and half-truths? Ragini Sudhir Chore delved into the arcane world of voodoo to bring you this special report.
The US resembles a battleground as Donald Trump and Kamala Harris scramble to win voters over to their side in the limited time available to them before the 5th November presidential polls. It is an open season on accusations of all kinds, and that includes some very weird ones. Sample this. Immigrants from the Caribbean island of Haiti are stealing pets and eating them. The debate is at the intersection of race, religion, immigration, culture, and prejudice, and voodoo is at the center of it all. The US presidential debate between the Trump and Harris sparked a controversy. This is what Trump had to say.
In Springfield, they're eating the dogs, the people that came in. They're eating the cats. They're eating the pets of the people that live there. And this is what's happening in our country, and it's a shame.
Trump campaign plans to deport in en masse thousands of immigrants from Haiti, some of whom are living in the US legally, after the Biden government granted them temporary protected status to escape gang violence in Haiti. US billionaire Elon Musk shared a TikTok video purportedly featuring a woman of Haitian descent sharing reasons why Haitians eat cats. In the video, the woman talks about why Haitians eat cat for survival and animal sacrifices for the religion. But one wonders why Haiti, and what is about the practice of voodoo that makes it controversial. Let's take you on a journey of understanding the twisted tale of voodoo. Voodoo is a religion. It has its roots in Africa. It originated in Benin in Western Africa, but it developed in Haiti. The people of Haiti have their origins in Central and Western Africa. It is commonly spelled as voodoo, but voodoo is also an accepted word and it means spirit or God. Voodoo combines West African religions with Roman Catholic rituals. An estimated 60 million people worldwide follow this religion. It is also practiced in many other countries including Togo, Ghana, Nigeria, Jamaica, the Dominican Republic, and the United States. But despite its growing number of practitioners, voodoo is also one of the most mysterious religions in the world. There are many misconceptions associated with it. Is it a witchcraft or is it a black magic? What are voodoo dolls? People who practice voodoo have their own festival called Woodon. It is held in Benin and also in the US state of New Orleans. It takes place in January at the Door of No Return, an arch built at the beach in Oida, a town of religious importance in Benin. The festival includes ceremonies, sacrifices, song and dance, and banquets. In 1996, Benin officially recognized voodoo as a national religion. Traditional Day, or Fête du Woudon, is a public holiday in Benin. The celebration is held annually on 10th of January. Beginning with the slaughter of a goat in honor of the spirits, the festival is filled with singing, dancing, and the imbibing of liquor, especially gin. Locals believe that voodoo can help an individual and guide them to help others as well, but Western influence has altered the true meaning of the religion.
Nous avons dit que le vaudou a pour nous.
For us, voodoo is also of economic interest. Since tourism is an important sector for activity, these days the world is moving more and more towards the consumption of tourism. And this is an area we have to seize. And it's of major interest to us. So if we invest in voodoo, it's not just because we want to reveal our identity to ourselves and to others, but above all, because we want to turn it into a sector of economic development.
Mais surtout aussi parce que nous voulons en faire un secteur de développement économique.
In Cuba, Haitian voodoo is practiced along with other related traditions such as Santeria. In the United States, Haitian immigrant communities practice voodoo. In the Dominican Republic, a version of voodoo is practiced. In Trinidad and Tobago, a syncretic religion called Trinidadian voodoo is practiced. In Brazil, a major branch of Candomblé called Candomblé Jeje, also known as Brazilian voodoo, is practiced. Voodoo rarely has any connection with the voodoo dolls or voodoo spell books, which are available on multiple e-commerce websites around the globe. There are several spiritual traditions across Asia and Europe that exhibit similarities in terms of benefits, rituals, and cultural practices. Zangbeto are the traditional voodoo guardians of the night among the Ogu people of Benin, Togo, and Nigeria. They are supernatural guardians who protect communities from natural and supernatural forces. These spirits know if someone has stolen or cast evil spells, murdered, or otherwise harmed the innocent. But in popular imagination, voodoo resembles witchcraft or black magic. And there are other differences. For one, voodoo is a religion as opposed to witchcraft, which is a broader term that can encompass various practices, beliefs, and traditions across cultures, including European folk magic and contemporary paganisms. Voodoo practitioners engage with pantheon of Liwa, each with unique attributes and domains. Liwa, also called Loa, are spirits in the Haitian voodoo and Dominican voodoo. Witchcraft, on the other hand, may involve working with nature, spirits, or deities depending on the tradition, but it does not have a standardized set of entities. Voodoo often has organized community structures with leaders such as Hongans and Mambus, where witchcraft can be more individualistic, with its practitioners often working alone or in loosely organized groups. While both voodoo and witchcraft can aim to effect change in the practitioner's life or community, voodoo emphasizes communal aspects, ancestral connections, and honoring specific spirits. Witchcraft may focus more on individual empowerment, personal transformation, or nature-based spirituality. It is often understood and coupled with indigenous spiritual practices of Asia, called shamanism and folk religion and beliefs. So why is Haiti voodoo in the news for the wrong reasons? One reason could be race and the other colonialism. Long ago, the religion began to be practiced in the Americas and the Caribbean by slaves of African descent who had been shipped from Western Africa. Over a period of time, the slaves revolted, leading to a civil war. Soon, the Europeans and American colonizers put a ban on the practice of the religion practiced by the slaves. Trump's running mate J.D. Vance is a lawmaker from the state of Ohio. Vance has claimed in the recent past that Haitian immigrants living in the state are eating pets. Vance cited unidentified reports to say on Platform X on 9th of September that Haitian immigrants are abducting and eating pets in Springfield. His post was viewed more than 11 million times. Vance claimed in another post that his campaign received many inquiries about locals who said that their neighbors' pets were abducted by Haitian immigrants, though he acknowledged that the claims could be false. Trump repeated the pet-eating claims in his 10th September debate with Harris. On 1st of October, Vance and his opponent, Tim Walz, took part in a televised debate. Walz brought up the pet-eating issue at the debate during a discussion on immigration, but Vance sidestepped the issue altogether in a bid to put a lid on the controversy. Ragini Sudhir Chauri for DD India.